Right above the leaf, between the stem and the leaf, you have this thing. You see it?
That's the sucker.
See this thing here?
Yeah.
That's the sucker. This one right here, see it?
Yeah.
That's the sucker.
That one too is going to be a sucker?
This is a sucker. Yeah. And what a sucker is a complete plant.
Yeah.
Then above the sucker is where you get your fruit. In other words, you got a leaf with a sucker, and then there's another leaf up here. In between the two leaves is where the fruity one comes out. Now up here, I'm not going to touch anything up here. Any leaf below the fruit, you can get rid of. Never cut a leaf above the fruit, only below. This gives the plant more strength. It doesn't have to feed these roots, these leaves that are doing nothing.